when there is economic necessity, I think I've spoken to you some time ago about existentialism, right? And what is called situationalism. We are under existential living. It's about existence. And you can talk what all you want about law. Let me tell you something about law, for example. Let me tell you something about law. Laws do not regulate human behavior. Absolutely. If it were so, murders would not reach where they reached in Jamaica because there are consequences. So it's not law that does it. Right? It is a social construct of society that gets people to behave a particular way. Now, when the economy is bad, then the rational choice theory kicks in, where individuals are weighing their options. Should I stay within the law or should I go and commit crime? Because it's a situation that they find themselves in. Yes, and the necessity in the rational choice